everyone. Today we're going to be working on Saxon Lesson 39, the rule vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. All right, I'm going to show you guys a word. How do you think we code this word? Right, let's look for the vowels. All right, I see a vowel, do you? I'm going to put a V underneath the vowels. How many consonants are in between those two vowels? Good job. 1, 2. 2 consonants. So we have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. Okay, let's go ahead and code this so that we know that when we see a vowel and there is a consonant followed by it, we code it with a breve. So both vowels are followed by breves. Now, when we have 2 consonants next to each other, we got to split it right down the middle. Okay, now where does our accent go? From what we learned last time, our accent goes right here. Okay, now that we've coded this, let's try to say this. Who can read it the way that it is coded? Until. Good. Do we say until? No. Let's say this word together. Until. The accent is on the second syllable, isn't it? So we got to get rid of it on this one and we got to put the accent on the second syllable, just like that. So first syllable, un. Second syllable, till. Until. Good. Just remember, when you see a word that follows the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, you should try to accent the first syllable first, because most words follow this pattern. If a word doesn't sound right, try the accent on the second syllable to see if that helps. Let's take a look at these 2 words and let's code them together. Okay, let's take a look at this first word. What do you see? Well, let's first look for our vowel. Our vowels. I found a vowel. Oh, here's a vowel. And then look, what's in between it? 2 what? Consonants. So we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Let's code the vowels. We know that when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it gets coded with a breve. So N and S are both consonants. So we code both of them with a breve. Then we know that we split the word because it's splitting into syllables. And then, ooh, what do we have at the end here? How does that get coded? With a box. Good. Oh, and there's twin consonants. How do we code twin consonants? Good. And where does our accent go? Confessing. Confessing. It goes on the second syllable. Just like that. That is how we code this word. Good job. Now let's take a look at this word down here. Let's identify our vowels. U and E. And there's 1, 2 consonants in between. Let's code our vowels. We know that the U gets coded with a breve because it's followed by a consonant, and as well as with the E because it's also followed by a consonant. We're going to split our word between the 2 syllables. And then we also code what? Suspended. Good job. We code it with a box. Excellent. And where does our word get accent? Good. Suspended. Suspended. Good job. Just like that. All right, looks like you guys are ready to move on to our worksheet. All right, go ahead and grab worksheet 39. If you don't have it in front of you, please pause and go get your worksheet. Otherwise, if you're ready, go ahead and put a line through 1 through 10. Line through 1 through 10. Good job. Then when you're ready, please put your finger next to number 11. Put your finger next to number 11. We're going to spell a word. Number 11 is wet. Wet. I jumped in the pool and I got all wet. Wet. Pause if you need more time. Otherwise, put your finger next to number 12. Number 12 is must. Must we go to school today? Must. Pause if you need more time. Okay, for numbers 14 through 16, we're going to code these words using what we learned today. Today we talked about the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel rule and how this time it gets coded with the accent in the second syllable. So that being said, I want you to put your finger next to number 14. We're going to do this together. I want you guys to code it and I'm going to code it and we're going to see if our answers are the same. Okay, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, does your word look like this? Did you remember to code your vowels with a brief? They get coded with a brief because they're followed by what? A consonant. Good job. Did you split your word in between the two consonants? Good job. Oh, did you remember the twin consonant? And we cross one out because we only say one name, right? One of the sounds. And there's my accent at the end of the second syllable. Good job, guys. I want you guys to do numbers 15 and 16 on your own. I want you to think about what we've learned today with our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel rule and the accent ending at the second syllable. You guys can do this, I believe in you. Make sure that you watch out for twin consonants and look for the vowels and how we code them. Remember, we code a vowel with a breve when it is followed by a consonant. All right, you guys got this. I believe in you. Have a wonderful day.